Hard drive recovery service companies like Hard Drive Recovery Group save people and companies millions of terabytes per year in potentially lost data. The newest hard disk drives are smaller and can store more data than ever, but they are also more at risk for hard drive failure and data loss. This is because hard disk drive parts are small and still as incredibly sensitive as ever, and are more subject to their number one cause of the need for hard drive recovery services: heat. Newer systems run hotter than ever, and in the process of cooling, both processors and hard drives use more fans. The fans typically bring in dirt and dust, two more enemies of hard drive technology, which build up and create additional heat. Left unprotected and subject to the high demands of today's advanced software technologies, these can create the perfect conditions for hard drive failure, and as a result, the need for hard drive recovery service. If your hard drive is crashed, you might assume you have a mechanical problem, when you actually may not. You may instead just have a file system problem that in the right hands can be fixed in an hour or less. In many cases, diagnosing your hard drive problem is easy and free and only takes one call. Call Hard Drive Recovery Group today for a free evaluation and discover your new favorite hard drive recovery service.